Asa akong dalaon, may. Are we gonna bring this TV? Ako asad aning ay na naman tay TV adto.
Okay, good day mga Luy. Another day, another vlog. Wala kami sa akong wife una. Kaya naigipang labay diri nga mga bike o mga gamit among pangutanon og gilabay ba jud ni among pangayoon. Okay, naras at bang sa mong balay oh. Narambalay oh. Kana ang building mo na mo anya nara sa at bang. Amo lang silang pangutanon or sa ba. Og gilabay na ba jud ni kay basing wala pa ni gilabay makasabanta. Oh, tanan na mo siya. Muli mang nabay tao dira.
Scrap. It's a scrap.
Kaya ngayon mga Loy, tatanungin na namin yung may-ari at kakatukin na namin kung tinatapon na ba talaga itong mga basura. Okay? Let's go. Basura na para sa kanila mga Loy, pero sa mga Pilipino katulad natin, goods na goods pa yan. Hiya!
Hiya!
Good day. You're chewing these things?
Are you gonna throw these bikes?
Yes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tottenham.
Oh yeah. We want to look at your bike. Maybe we need something. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
How about this
Yeah.
TV? TV is...
TV.
Is that
The
working?
TV's okay, but it's not a smart TV.
Oh, it's okay.
Ah, okay.
But it's still okay.
Oh, okay.
So maybe take it for the rain comes.
Ah, okay. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank
you.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Because we are new here, just the reason we need a thanks for us.
Yes, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Take it. You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
Very
much.
welcome.
Yeah.
Sa Pilipinas lang ako takot mag-English mga Loy,
Ah,
pero
thank you
dito
so
sa abroad
much.
wala
Bye.
akong pake. Alam nyo ba, Scottish English is one of the
Ah, yeah,
hardest
yeah,
English in
yeah.
the world.
Thank you.
My partner, he's got a few bikes round at his place as well.
Sorry? Sorry?
My partner,
Ah, yeah?
he stays in his house, but it's got a couple of bikes in his house.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah,
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's why
Yeah,
you have
yeah.
a lot of bikes here.
well, I've got those two there,
Mm-hmm.
and there's another couple around at his house.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want them, you're very welcome.
Oh, okay. Is it far here?
No, about 5 minutes away. But
5 minutes by bike?
I'd get them to bring them round here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
You're very
If,
welcome.
oh, yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay mga Loy, so ipanglabay na dyan sila, so umuha na dyan silang pangayoon. Umuha ng kwaon, dadun na mo sa mo ang flat. Okay?
Asa akong dalaon, may.
Yan.
Are we gonna bring this TV? Ako asad aning ay na naman tay TV adto. Gukuruk-kuruk ako kaman.
Kasi lang na natin pinibalik mo sa...
Gukuruk-kuruk ako kaman. To be honest, I don't understand what she's saying. That's the challenging part here in Scotland because they have a hard to understand English. Oh, my
Sura na masura.
kakurug ako kamot. Goodness, babayaga. Sorry naman.
Wala siya stand.
Sa wall, matingali na siya. Ah, oh, murag mo na. Same brand sa imong TV.
Nung pabalik na kami sa flat namin mga Loy, bigla kaming tinawag ulit ni nanay dahil may bigay pa daw siya. Tumakbo agad si Roxanne babalik doon sa flat nila nanay.
Yes? Sorry?
A soup maker.
Soup maker?
Yeah?
Where?
Come.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Can I go inside? Oh, you have a nice house.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
hi.
My kitten. I just got that. Right.
Are you alone here?
No, I've got a partner.
Ah, okay.
Right. I like to help people.
Ah, thank you so much. We're new here, so
Yeah?
yeah, we really
Yeah.
need things.
No, of course. Right.
Do you need help? Yeah, he can do it for you.
No, I can do it. This is a soup maker.
Oh, yeah?
Let me see. I probably need to get the connections.
Oh, yeah, the base. The
Yeah.
base of
I can't
the...
find it. I can't find the base.
Oh,
But
yeah.
I'll do.
Is that a toast maker?
No, that's an omelette maker.
Ah, okay, I got
Yeah.
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, omelette.
So
Are you going to give this to us as well? Oh, thank you so much. Are you not gonna use this?
no,
Oh, thank you.
take that. And
Yeah.
if I find anything else, I'll give you.
Thank you so much for just living there.
Yeah.
7 columns
Seven.
in 7.
Alright.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that building.
yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're very
Yeah.
welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
If
Bye.
I've got anything, I will bring you.
Sorry?
If I've got anything, I'll give you.
Ah, yes. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Thank
Of
you.
course.
Yeah, bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.
You're very
Yeah.
welcome.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Have you got a Hoover?
Sorry?
Have you got a Hoover?
Sorry?
A Hoover.
Hoover? What is that? Ah, vacuum.
Yeah.
Ah, I don't understand the term.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not a vacuum.
Yo, we don't have a vacuum. We have once, but it's broken. Oh, really? How about you?
I got a new one
Oh, that's
Okay.
nice.
because I've got health problems,
Oh.
so I can't do that anymore. So
Oh.
I got this one.
Ah, okay. So it's a new one.
It's lighter,
Yeah, because I
That's
think
what-
this is heavier, right?
too heavy.
Oh, yeah.
I've got COPD, which is a lung condition.
Oh, okay.
So take it.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I
Okay.
really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're very
Yeah, by the way, Roxanne and
Yeah.
my husband Carlo.
John.
frozen.
Ah, yeah. That's why I asked him to just maybe make it faster, so
Yeah.
we can go inside. So because it's freezing outside.
And get warm.
Oh yeah.
Very cold here, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank
Where
you
are
so
you
much.
from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Oh.
We're Filipinos.
You'll be frozen here.
Yeah.
Because the
yeah.
top is too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, in our country it's very hot.
Yeah.
Warm country.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so
Okay.
much. Yeah.
Bye bye. Thank you. Nanagid tayo vacuum.
Oh. Guess what? We have a vacuum now.
Sana all.
Nakabit-bit ang vacuum. And omelette maker. Katang marabot siya og egg may. Magtangan na siya og sa batangan nila og mga cheese. Depende na mo. Bala kay more on egg siya. Yes.
Patay mga bike.
Yeah. Happy? Happy? Happy!
Ano daw yun? Ay, kung dala ito naman.
Ako na naikon?
Okay mga loy, pagkatapos naming mahatid yung mga bike, umilit maker at iba pa, binalikan na namin yung TV, kasama na namin si Jomar dahil sobrang bigat talaga ng TV. Dahil parang old model siya, yung makapal pa yung salamin kahit flat screen TV na siya, no? Okay? Let's
Ano
go!
yun? Di siya para sa imo ama eh.
Ang gala ni mo.
Tignan mo oy. Hi, kuya. Ito sa atbang, gikuan nila ay. Ilabog. Hi, kuy. Gatagan sa big vacuum. Dili na sila yung bagong gamit. Whew.
At ito na po yung TV, mga Loy. Goods na goods siya. Kahit hindi siya smart TV, binilhan lang namin siya ng Fire Stick, no? Para magiging smart TV na siya. Kaya makapanood na kami ng Netflix, YouTube at iba pa. Kaya goods talaga. Salamat nanay sa pagbigay sa amin ng mga gamit, no? At saka yung vacuum cleaner, good na good pa rin. The best ka nanay. Banda na daw ni May. Okay mga Loy, ang atong mga pinunit na bike, no, atong ipang recycle. Gamito na to sa ibalhin-balhin na to ilang mga pisa. Para na tayo ma-assemble nga bahalag isa lang ka bike. Oo, no. Okay, let's go.